Welcome to this presentation on the different libraries of C++. Today we will explore the powerful tools and frameworks that make C++ a versatile language for everything from system programming to game development. C++ comes with a rich standard library. At its core is the Standard Template Library or STL, which provides powerful containers like vectors and map, along with algorithms like sort and search. In addition, the C++ standard library includes essential features for input-output strings, time handling, and file management. When you need more advanced utilities, C++ has us covered. Boost offers a wide range of tools from smart pointers to multi-threading. The FMT library brings modern Python-style string formatting to C++. And for testing, Catch2 and Google Test are two of the most popular unit testing frameworks available. C++ shines in game development and graphics programming. Libraries like SFML and SDL handle multimedia and input. OpenGL and Vulkan power advanced rendering, while support libraries like GLFW, GLEW, and GLM manage Windows extensions and math operations. These are essential for building game engines and visual applications. For network-based applications, ASIO offers low-level socket programming and asynchronous communication. POCO provides higher-level tools like HTTP servers and socket wrappers. And if we are building web APIs, CPP REST SDK, also known as Casamblance, makes working with RESTful services and JSON straightforward. C++ has powerful tools for managing files and data formats. Boost.file system simplifies path and file manipulation. The Noman JSON library is beloved for its ease of use and clarity. For high-performance serialization, protobuf and flat buffers are the go-to choices for efficient binary formats. When it comes to numerical computation, Eigen is a lightweight yet powerful library for matrix and vector algebra. dlib provides a range of machine learning tools, including facial recognition, and OpenCV is the industry standard library for image and video processing. Some libraries don't fit into just one category. TGUI and IMGUI are great for GUI development, whether we are building applications or game tools. Serial offers a clean syntax for object serialization, and SPDlog is a fast, minimalistic logging library that keeps our application output clean and informative. C++ is far more than just a language, it's an ecosystem. Whether we are building desktop applications, high-performance systems, games, or network services, there's a C++ library ready to help. Choosing the right one can save us time and elevate our project to the next level.